Hope you all had a good Christmas. I thought I'd just give a kind of final update for the year. I'm not quite where I wanted to be. I did kind of hope we'd get a few more things done on the car, but that just hasn't been the case. It hasn't been in the body shop. But we did find an extra couple of things. You know, I've got the ID and the original reg back for the car, which when I started, I didn't even think they existed. It sounds ridiculous that you could own a car for so long and not know its ID or any of these bits, but that's where I am. That's where we've kind of been in the journey through the year. We found the VIN plate, we've got the ID and everything back. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, we can crack on next year and get it painted, get some progress, and get it all up to speed, and all the bodywork fitted as well, because I've got all of that. And I've got all the nice carbon parts, and we've got the engine there ready to go too. So yeah, a lot of things to do next year. I've got a lot of other projects on. I think I've struggled towards the end of this year with problems with my daily driver. Hopefully they're kind of resolved now ish, maybe. I don't know. We'll get that sorted and crack on with stuff. But yeah, and I just thought I'd say as well, I've got another project. It's kind of a spin-off. I've had this guitar body for several years now, and I've only kind of sealed it and painted it, and then I got on with other stuff and kind of didn't ever finish it. But it's a guitar roughly of the same era as the Cosy. This is an Ibanez Gem, and people who know will know and they'll recognise this. It's quite distinctive. But yeah, I've had this project for a long time. And I had this neck to go on it, which was another stumbling point, because I've got, you know, the replica proper gem neck, but it doesn't actually fit the body very well at all. And I think that's another reason, because I got this and they don't really fit. So what I've done now, I thought it'd be really cool to paint this up and get it built up to match the car. So I've got a genuine Ibanez neck. It's not a gem one, it's just a cheap kind of Wizard 3 neck. Nothing special on it, but yeah, I've got them to go together. And then I thought, while I was at it, why make things easy for myself? I have this neck, so why not use it? So I've just marked out the body on this piece of plywood. See there, just drawn around it, and fit the neck to that. I've got plenty of plywood to get on with this, and I thought I'd make an acoustic gem. It's probably not going to be a very good guitar. It probably won't work very well. It won't sound very well. I'm going to do it anyway because I just think it'll look cool. But yeah, that's kind of winter. I know it's not a car project, it's a winter project for me to just crack on with and kind of document that. I'm not going to go into tons of detail because this could be rubbish. It could be absolutely crap. I'm not holding my breath for this being an amazing guitar, but I'm going to do it anyway. I don't really have any skills for doing it. I don't really know what I'm doing, but let's crack on and have a go, see what happens. So that's kind of a recap of where I am now. Still cracking on with the car, hopefully going for paint. I'm going to get these guitars something done with them. It's something to do over winter while I'm struggling to get out with the weather and do anything with the car. So yeah, hope you had a good Christmas. Don't get too drunk for New Year's, and I'll see you on the flip side.